Hello my garden friends. In today's video I'm finally going to transform this boring, unused patch of dirt into an adorable themed garden area. Now when I say themed garden, what I mean is, for those of you who don't know me or you're new to my channel, I have a little fun and whimsical themed garden areas in my backyard. I have a cottage garden, a children's fairy garden, a fun and colorful scarecrow garden, and a water fountain garden. So this is the future home of my new bridge garden. And my idea for this area is I'm going to create a dry creek bed. I got this adorable little bridge that's going to go right over it, and I'm also going to add some stepping stones to give it the illusion like it's going somewhere. And of course, just like all the other themed areas in my garden, I'm going to create this on a smaller scale. So it just shows that even if you have a small garden or a small space, you can pretty much do anything you want as long as you do it on a smaller scale. And I figured this will be a fun area for my grandchildren to play in as well. So let me show you what I've done so far. This is what the area looked like before I started cleaning it up. I've never been happy with this area in my garden, so I pretty much ignored it, which enabled this canna lily to get completely out of hand. So the first thing I did was remove the chair. I'll set that aside and maybe use it somewhere else in my garden. Then I took away the plant stand, and of course, I couldn't wait to dig out this canna lily. Don't get me wrong, I think canna lilies are beautiful. It just wasn't the right place in my garden. Next, I'm going to remove the old tires. I know a lot of you are going to be so happy to see those go. I admit they are kind of ugly. I'm almost embarrassed to admit that, so I am happy that they are finally getting out of my garden. The next thing I did is I raked up all the old tambark or mulch, whatever you want to call it. I want to start with a flat surface just so I can mentally prepare and see where I'm going to make my lines for the bridge garden. I ended up dispersing this tambark in other areas in my garden, and I also put some in the compost. Now that I got you all caught up to the current progress, the first thing I'm going to do today, or I should say the first thing John is going to do today, is put my cute little bridge together. So I bought this cute little bridge on Amazon. It's super, super adorable. And John, who is also my... Dude, you cannot wear that hat. Oh my goodness. For those of you who don't know, I'm going to spit out my tea. This is my husband, John. We just got married last week, and he's absolutely hilarious. Okay, he's going to put my bridge together.
I'm going to try to put it together. Let's see.
We're just taking it out of the box again. Okay, here's all the hardware and stuff. Are you really going to wear this hat the whole time?
Oh, I'm trying to be garden happy.
We recently got married last week, and John received the best, most heartfelt and welcoming comments. And a lot of you said, we want to see him in more of your garden videos. And I told him that, and I guess he took y'all seriously.
Okay, we're missing the connectors, the connecting bolts. Hopefully.
Okay, here it is. This is what you need, I think.
Yeah.
Okay.
There should be something else though. Or wait, maybe not. No.
Do you want some instructions?
No, this is really easy to do. Sorry, I didn't mean to turn my back to the camera.
I can get rid of this box then.
Yeah.
Ooh, I could save all these cardboard the stuff to make little, I have a use for that. I'm going to save that cardboard.
Okay. Well, this isn't that difficult to do.
Well, I'm glad to hear that. It's nice to have a man around the house. So I bought this bridge on Amazon, but it actually came from Bed Bath and Beyond. They had the best prices. But what I'll do is leave a link to in the description below in case you want to get a bridge for your garden too. And it looks like it came with all the hardware and that, what is that little tool called?
It's just an Allen wrench with a screwdriver end.
Yeah.
You could any Phillips head screwdriver or Allen wrench you could use.
Dude, I can't take you serious with that hat on. I just need to take off the little cardboard things.
Okay.
It's cute.
Do you want me to get some scissors?
I can just rip it off.
You sure?
I think they were just protecting the little decorative things, but I'll be very honest with you. I wouldn't mind this bridge kind of getting weathered and turning rusty. The pictures made it look rusty, but it's actually kind of has a nice finish on it. Part of me feels I should sand it a little bit and let it get rusty.
No.
No, you like it just the way
It'll
it
get
is?
rusty, don't worry. It will
Yeah.
get rusty.
Well, thanks. That's
It's actually
really
very
cute.
sturdy, so when the grandkids walk across it.
Exactly. That's what I wanted. I wanted them to be able to actually, because if I would have just gotten something that was chintzy, they're going to walk over it anyway, and then
Yeah.
it would have broke.
Yeah, this is actually very sturdy, and it probably would hold a large. It would hold Zayla and Zeke for
Yeah,
sure.
maybe like 80 pounds.
Yeah.
So you can't go over it.
No, shoot.
Well, thanks, John.
Okay.
Thank you. I
That's
appreciate you. What a dork. Well, my friends, we got to go babysit our grandkids now. So that's all I have for you today. But I think we're off to a great start. Thanks for watching.